Wendy. Is it recording?
Yeah. Is that light even working or no?
Oh, no. It's still so slow. Hopefully working. Really took the album. Oh man, I touched my glasses.
We're going to the danger, guys. Instead of going away from it, we're going towards it. Why are we like that?
I see dead people. That's so sad.
Oh.
That's a no-go.
Pues dale.
Is it a school? Oh my god.
Dale por allá. Or, yeah, dale por allá.
Por allá? Is
Yeah.
that the road that we're-
Yeah.
¿A tu
Slowly,
gordito
this
era
way.
el grupo que siempre te saluda?
Damn, look at that. Whoa. Crazy, people. Crazy.
¿Manda?
Look at that.
Go ahead, sir. Privileged. Honestly, thought it was the school. That's a school right there, isn't it?
No,
No? Oh.
that's in situ. That's full of military stuff.
Oh, shit.
I used to work there.
Oh. Yeah, there's another one over there. There's two of them. I don't know what that is. That's just an airplane, probably.
And it's still going.
Yeah. I think they're probably still working on it then. It's not as bad as it was earlier. Also a little bit of water though. Wow. Chido. Hey, trooper. Yeah?
Oh, espérate, van, ahí van. Quiero mirar cuando le...
Oh, there's another one. There's two of them.
Two fighters and two copters.
Two helicopters.
Just flying around in circles.
Yeah. Yes.
Is that what he's doing? He's just flying around in circles.
Is that what he's doing? Oh, he is. Oh, está saliendo poquita de agua arriba. O abajo, o whatever. Sick. Water. Splash. Oh, no splash. What are you recording?
I'm filming the helicopter.
My son used to fly around in that stuff.
Really? Ah.
Quiero mirar when he drops the load. You heard? Oh, he dropped the
Oh, there
load.
it is. There it is.
He's dropping the load.
Oh, chetos. So it is right there. Oh my gatos.